Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Wall Street ended last week on a positive note, led by an AI-driven rally in technology stocks and a strong US market debut by South Korean memory chipmaker SK Hynix. The S&P 500 gained 0.42%, while the Dow and Nasdaq each rose 0.29%. For the week, both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq advanced more than 1%, recovering from the volatility triggered by recent Middle East tensions. Asian markets opened higher today as investors largely shrugged off escalating geopolitical tensions. Japan's Nikkei gained 0.28%, while the Topix rose 0.72%. South Korea's Kospi added 0.58%, with the small-cap Kosdaq jumping 1.84%. Australia's ASX 200 was largely flat in early trade. Nifty ended Friday's session at 24,207, gaining 244 points and forming a bullish candle with a higher high and higher low, signaling improving near-term sentiment. However, the recovery is still confined within Wednesday's strong bearish candle, indicating that the bulls need stronger follow-through. Gift Nifty is indicating a gap-down opening of around 160 points. For today, the previous session's close at 24,207 will act as the immediate resistance. A move above this level could push the index toward 24,300, which marks Wednesday's high. On the downside, 24,000 will be the key support. A break below this level could trigger profit booking toward 23,800. From a positional perspective, the bullish gap between 23,800 and 23,645 is expected to provide strong support. Apart from technical levels, markets will also keep a close watch on Q1 earnings, inflation data, crude oil prices, Fed chair testimony, and China's GDP numbers, all of which could influence market direction this week. Friday's strong rally extended the market's relief rebound for a second straight session. Gains were led by a breakout in IT stocks and softer crude oil prices, helping benchmark indices move above key psychological levels. The rupee strengthened by 15 paise to 95.32 against the dollar, while FIIs invested 2,604 crore rupees in the cash market, taking the monthly net inflow to 19,542 crore rupees. In the derivatives market, Nifty futures gained 243 points as open interest declined 0.9%, indicating short covering, while the premium narrowed from 37 to 35 points. Bank Nifty futures surged 728 points, with open interest falling 2.5% and the premium easing from 220 to 154 points. In the options market, aggressive put writing and call profit booking pushed the Nifty PCR up from 0.94 to 1.25 and Bank Nifty PCR to 0.99. India VIX dropped 8.3% to 12.25, reflecting easing volatility. The FII long-short ratio edged up from 0.11 to 0.12, with FIIs adding futures and call positions while reducing puts. Proprietary traders also remained bullish, while retail investors increased put positions ahead of the weekend. For today, the key levels to watch are 24,000 as support and 24,400 as resistance. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.